Hello dear students, this is Indian Contract Act 1872. It is generally divided in two parts. First one is general principles, which consists from section 1 to 75, and second one is contract second, that is in second year syllabus. We are discussing contract first, part first, just because it is very essential for everyone to understand. Part 1 consists meaning, elements and characteristics of contract, basis of contracts, and third one is classification of contract, including the standard forms of contract. Now, there is meaning and nature of contract. It consists element of contract. Elements, it consists two things: agreement, which is enforceable by law. Second, essentials of valid contract. Third one is types of contract. Now, agreement consists offer, which is also addressed as proposal. Second one is acceptance, and the third one is consideration. Now, contract basic introduction. Indian Contract Act received its assent on 25th April 1872. Indian Contract Act came into force on 1st September 1872. It is applicable to the whole of India now. It is considered to be not complete and not exhaustive in nature because we have to read many more acts with it. It creates just in personam, it means right against a particular person. Indian Contract Act 1872 codifies the legal principles that governs contracts. The basically identifies the ingredients of a legally enforceable valid contract in addition to dealing with certain special type of contractual relationships like indemnity, guarantee, bailment, pledge, quasi-contracts, contingent contracts, etc. Now, formation of contract. What is a contract? It must have an offer and acceptance. It must have three C's. What is three C's? We will discuss it in next PPT. It must not be prohibited by law. But here's one thing to be noted. A social agreement is not a contract because it does not have a legal intention. It means there should be a legal intention between parties when there is a contract. Now the formation is continued. Formation. First of all, there should be proposal or offer. When it is accepted, it becomes promise. And when promise is having consideration, it becomes agreement. And when agreement is enforceable by law, it becomes contract. So now it should be clear that when any agreement is having of nature that it can be enforced by law, then such agreement becomes contract, otherwise not. So there is a sentence which is also generally privileged, that all contracts are agreement but all agreements are not contract. Okay friends, thanks. See you in next class. Bye. Take care.